Monday morning, 4/20/2026, 420 day. Green line starts the week at the -10 area, moving up into today where it peaks out here between 6 and 7 a.m. Starts to push down, bottoms out again at the -10 line. Evening of the 21st into the morning of the 22nd, where about 6 a.m. it starts to track upwards slowly into Friday, where it peaks out here at about +6 area at 2100, and then drifts downwards into Friday and levels out at the -4 area into the close. Notice how we had this little bit of phase differential here late in the week last week, where we had this green line push up and then back down. We didn't actually get the move until a little bit later in the day. The green line had already started down, and then we got that push up in the morning Friday about 7-8 a.m. when that started. Blue line is pretty much locked between the 10 lines for the early part of the week. The first important spike we have is on the 22nd at 1830 to 1945. That area is a flat top at the +10 line. Then we've got a strong burst of energy down to a low here at -16 about 4:10 a.m. on the 23rd, zipping back up to 1800 for a peak at +12 on the 23rd, and then down until about 1 a.m. on Friday the 24th. And then the last spike of the week is the biggest spike at the +20 line, where it peaks out at 1236 on Friday. So there's the Astro Excel for the coming week.